Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an impressive gadget that can elevate your audio recording experience, the OM System WS-883 digital voice recorder with noise cancel technology. If you're interested in this product, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. The OM System WS-883 is not just any ordinary voice recorder, it's designed with advanced features that cater to a variety of recording needs. Equipped with high-quality built-in stereo microphones positioned at a 90-degree angle, this device captures clear audio from any direction. This means whether you're recording interviews, lectures, or personal notes, you can expect superior sound quality no matter where the speaker is located. One of the standout features is its intelligent auto mode. This smart functionality automatically adjusts the recording level based on varying volume levels, ensuring that you get the best audio quality without having to fiddle with settings mid-session. This is especially beneficial for those who are not tech-savvy or simply want to focus on the content rather than the recording process. Another great aspect of the WS-883 is its built-in USB terminal. This allows for easy connectivity to your PC, making file transfers a breeze. Plus, you can charge the internal battery directly through the USB connection. No need for additional chargers or adapters, which adds to the convenience of this device. For those who prefer simplicity, the WS-883 includes a simple mode. This feature displays only the essential information in large fonts and limits the menu options to frequently used functions, making it user-friendly for everyone, including beginners. In terms of recording quality, the WS-883 offers multiple formats, including MP3 at 44.1 kHz and PCM at 22.05 kHz sampling. This versatility gives you the flexibility to choose the format that best suits your needs, whether you're recording a podcast, conducting interviews, or jotting down personal reminders. So, who is this digital voice recorder suitable for? It's perfect for students, journalists, podcasters, and anyone needing to capture lectures, interviews, or ideas on the go. If you're a student, this device will help you record classes effortlessly. Journalists can use it for conducting interviews, while podcasters can rely on its superior audio quality for capturing their discussions. The practical use cases are endless. You can use it to record meetings, create voice memos, or even document your thoughts during a brainstorming session.